Hello. So today I want to talk about Blocksy, web or template builder on WordPress. Sometimes if you use this template builder and you hover over to the starter sites here, then let me just show you. Then sometimes you run into errors when you try to use the Elementor builder from it. So as you can see here, I'm previewing this and it displays my page nicely. If I go back to that, and then if I go on to the page directly on the main page, on the live page, which I've pushed live here. So this is now the live page under the URL that I'm using. But then if you go under edit with Elementor, if you go to theme builder, okay, you go to here, that's okay, right? But if you do the same thing again, let me just go back to the page. Here we go, and you go edit with Elementor and you go to site settings. You run into this issue here. So how can we solve that? Let me go back to the WordPress page. Let me hover over to Elementor. So this is kind of like the widget or the plugin that was installed here. And there are actually two errors or two issues with Elementor why it could appear. It could be the system info here. So if you check here on the server environment, you need to make sure that the PHP memory limit is 256. If it is lower, you may have to go back to your web hosting provider and just get it adjusted. Or that didn't solve it in my case. Actually, what it solved in my case was under the settings. If you go to advanced and then the switch editor loader method, if you enable this, save it. Okay, let me go back to the page wherever I've hidden it. Okay, so that's the page again, right? So it displays nicely. But if I want to edit it with Elementor and site setting, it should hopefully work now and the internal error is gone. Yep, as you can see, it's loading the modules and yeah, displaying it very nicely. And that's it. I hope that was helpful. Keep watching, keep learning. Bye-bye.